Punta naman po tayo mga kababayan dito naman sa isa pa nating topic na kung saan ito napakatindi po nito dahil meron pong kinumpirma etong si Secretary John Vic Remulla patungkol po mga kababayan sa posibleng paglabas ng arrest warrant laban po dito kay Atong Ang. So ito, pakinggan po natin mga kababayan. Ikinikredit po natin ito sa ANC 24/7. Kanila po yan. Hindi po yan natin gagawan lamang po natin ng reaction video mga kababayan. So ito, i-play na po natin.
Let's talk about Atong Ang. Okay? What is the status of the case?
He has 4 cases filed in 4 different courts, all for murder, I think, along with 31 others, the policemen. I know you're going to go to this. Gretchen Barreto is not part of the accused, but we are just waiting for the warrant of arrest to be issued by the RTCs of 4 different places. I think Batangas, Laguna, and 2 other places. If whoever issues first, then we have reason to arrest him already.
Okay, do you have information if a warrant will be released against Atong Ang before the year ends?
It's supposed to be any time now. We're just waiting for the judge to fully appreciate the facts of the case, and I think it'll be any time now.
So are you saying pwede siyang makulong before Christmas?
Hopefully, yeah.
But bailable ba yung iba?
So ibig sabihin pala mga kababayan talaga, nasasabilis na lang ng korte. Nakasalalay kung lalabisan po agad ng arrest warrant ito pong si Atong Ang. Kasi parang ang mangyayari po dito mga kababayan, kung halimbawa bukas, lumabas yung arrest warrant ni Atong Ang, automatic aarestuhin na po siya mga kababayan. I-implement sa kanya yung arrest warrant at huhulihin na po siya bago magpasko. Pero yung ilang araw na lang, magpapasko na pero sobrang dami ng mga pasabog. Mga kababayan, ano po? So ngayon, ituloy pa natin.
No, non-bailable murder yan eh.
Lahat
Murder yan eh. Sa kanya is kidnapping, forced disappearance, and parang ganun eh. Pero non-bailable lahat ng kaso niya.
Now, Secretary, nakulong na si Atong Ang noon.
States.
Hindi sa Pilipinas?
Hindi sa Pilipinas, sa States.
I see.
He was arrested for money laundering. He was in jail for I think 2 years.
Oo. Kasi ang tanong ko, kung ako si Atong Ang at nakulong na ako, bakit ako magpapakulong ulit?
Well, it's actually not the motivation that counts. It's really paano ko tatakasan to. That's his mindset. Paano ko malulusutan ang kaso.
Yeah, but is he still in the Philippines?
He still is, according to our records. He hasn't, at least from our reports, he could have gone down the porous back southern part of the Philippines. But as of now, he's still here.
But you don't know that.
Adriana Lit, mega love shoutout
Don't know that.
Took a yacht out, etc.
We don't know that. Or maybe the NBI does. I haven't talked to them about it.
So technically, no one has seen Atong Ang in the Philippines, just for the record.
You have to ask the NBI. They're the ones in charge of the case.
All right.
It's not under us.
Now,
Kasi mahirap dito mga kababayan pagka lumabas yung arrest warrant ni Atong Ang, paano kung magtatago siya? Katulad ni Senator Bato. Paano kung hindi na po siya magpakita mga kababayan at mas piliin niya na umalis ng bansa? Kaya nga dapat dito sa ganitong klase ng usapin, proseso, dapat mabilis po yung ating mga tagapagpatupad ng batas. Once na lumabas yung arrest warrant, dapat arestuhin na po agad. Ano po, kasi baka mamaya mapatulad kay Bato de la Rosa na nagtago na at hindi na alam kung nasa saan mga kababayan. May mga nakakakita pero wala pa namang matibay na kumpirmasyon kung nasa saan na po. Di po ba mga kababayan? Katulad ni Saldico, pumunta ng ibang bansa, hindi na bumalik. Katulad ditong sinabunuan, pumunta ng ibang bansa, hindi na po bumalik. So dapat matutukan po talaga ng pansin at mabantayan ng gobyerno kung saan po nagpupunta ito pong mga tao na ito para hindi po makatakas. Kasi parang ang nangyayari, pa-interview sa media, nilalabas na agad sa media, tapos magugulat na lang tayo, nakatakas na yung hinahabol.
A lawyer of Atong Ang said, when you commented, I guess you were in a press conference, and you said Atong Ang is armed and dangerous, so the method of arresting him in connection to the missing Sabongeros will be different.
Yes.
First, what did you mean by that?
Sabi ni Ma'am Annalise, wait lang we are the other Vengadors. Nasaan daw yung other ng mga Vengadors? Why are you alone, Mr. Magnus? Hindi ako lamang po mag-isa dito kasi may kanya-kanya po kasi kaming slot na pwede kami mag-live dito sa Vengadors. Anyway, ituloy pa natin.
Will be different.
Di pa yung slay girl. Fit check back.
Kasi mga kababayan for charity kasi to. Itong channel na ito itong Vengadors. For charity kasi to mga kababayan. Ginagawa namin to para may sarili kaming pondo para sa mga charity na gagawin ni Boss Mike. Kaya sa amin, volunteer to mga kababayan. Kasi maraming pangarap si Boss Mike na matulungan. Mga taong matulungan. Tuloy natin.
You know or has a record of making forced disappearances, who travels around with 3 cars and 15 bodyguards at the minimum, all heavily armed, then you must consider him armed and dangerous.
Tama.
You must consider
Kasi mga kababayan, malaking tao kasi po itong si Atong Ang. And then may mga tao rin to mga kababayan. Kaya parang kung sakaling arestuhin po ito, baka malaki ang posibilidad mga kababayan na maulit yung history ni Kibuloy. Ano po kung paano siya inaresto? Ang pinagkaiba lang kasi, etong si Kibuloy mga kababayan, may human shield. Samantalang etong si Atong Ang, siguro baka mga tao lang niya yung poprotekta sa kanya, pero mapera nga po ito.
the possibility that they will put up a fight. I do guarantee, however, that there will be no EJK. There will be none. But we will take all precautions so that we can arrest him with no casualties.
And the lawyer said your comment about his client was reckless and irresponsible.
Well, talk to the 100+ missing Sabongeros families.
Tama.
Right? If someone is accused of killing over 100 people, don't you, by normal happenstance, just think that he is armed and dangerous? How can I be reckless?
Tama.
He's a fool to call me reckless. He's not a lawyer, so he's not worth the money Atom's paying him.
No, so Secretary, they did find, I would have to say, remnants in the lake, right? But how is there any way to connect that they are actually the missing Sabongeros?
We don't have that yet. What we've seen is CCTVs of videotapes, CCTVs of his people enforcing an arrest of someone. His videos of someone.
Hindi, tsaka tingnan nyo na rin mga kababayan, yung mismong revelasyon yung mismong revelasyon ni Julie Patidongan, yun na nga lang napakatibay po nun na basihan. Kasi yung mga inireveal din naman po niya na iba, talagang siguro may mga sinumpaan din siyang salaysay. Ano po, kaya si Julie Patidongan yung isa sa masasabi po natin na talagang matibay na pwedeng maging ebidensya laban po dito kay Atong Ang. Yung connection niya kay Atong Ang at yung mga revelasyon po niya laban po kay Atong Ang. Ang mahirap nga lang dito, kapag dumating na yung point na arestuhin na, itong si Atong Ang. Mga kababayan, ano po, so ngayon ituloy pa natin.
Confessing and a star witness who links everything on how it was done, why it was done, where they and who did it.
Is it the same star witness?
Yes, it is. Yes, it's same star witness.
All right. Okay, now let's move. Wait, was Gretchen Barreto in any of the videos? Yun muna. Kasi there were talks, I'm hearing she was in one video.
Para ibang video nakita ko.
You know, was she in, that's misogynistic. I wanna...
Hindi, I didn't say anything.
Okay, but
ikaw nag-react eh.
No, was she in a video related
No,
to...
none.
Pegador, wala kang kawala. Pegador, kayo ay maganda. Pegador, galit sa masama.